Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because it's our goal to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. As you can see, we not only take the time to meet everyone's needs, we go that extra distance because we really do care, and it's great to see that we're making a huge difference every day. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.